There's one. All right, hand it to Dad, and then he'll put it away so you can keep looking.
Dad, I put it in the pants.
Okay. Well, let's keep looking, because I think the Easter Bunny left more eggs. So why don't you go look for more?
Go look in there.
Right here's another egg.
Oh my gosh.
Here,
Thank you, John.
let's look for more.
Okay.
Let's look for more eggs. Oh, here's another one.
Oh wow, and the baby toys?
Oh, cool.
On baby's cups.
Yeah.
Let's look for more eggs. Oh, here's one.
Oh, wow.
A green egg. A green egg.
That's great, buddy.
Is there any more?
I don't know, bud. Is there any more?
Oh, this one. Here's a blue egg.
Whoops.
It was right.
Whoops.
Oh no.
That's all right. Daddy will get it.
We can't reach that blue egg.
I bet Dad can reach it.
Oh, I got it.
He's pretty.
Oh, look, come on.
You see another one? Where?
Brothers, get our...
Get it. Go get it.
Hey, look, Mom. There's another little egg.
You can-
Brothers, get our... There go that.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Here's a little egg. You can put it. Eggs. And there's no more.
I bet that there's more. It's just super exciting, isn't it?
Okay, Mom, let's look for...
I think that they're only in here, though. So there's, how many more do you think that there are? Maybe 6 more.
Hey, Mom, this one.
Where? Oh,
Here's one.
great.
Oh, what color is that?
That's a good one.
Yellow.
Cool. Another yellow one.
Let's go there.
Okay.
Okay, let's keep looking.
Okay. I see one.
You see one there?
Maybe back here? Back here in the corner, maybe? I don't know.
Oh, there's one. Here's one. Look, there's like orange, right?
It's like an orange,
Oh,
yeah.
cool. Thank you, John.
Are there any more back here?
Yeah, Mom.
Okay.
I think there are more.
All right. I see one by Emmy's jumper.
Don't see one.
Uh-huh.
Don't see one.
No?
Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, here's one.
Who's on that?
It's Mickey and Minnie on this egg.
Oh, wow. The Easter Bunny must know you like them, huh?
Hey, Dad, look, cause they're sick. Mickey and Mickey and Minnie are on this.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Thanks,
It's
buddy.
really cool. Mickey and Minnie on that. Let's keep looking for.
Are there some over here?
Yeah, Mom. Do you see any more? Oh, here's one.
That's a good one.
Well, what color is this egg?
What color?
Right.
Blue, right. I think I see one by the elephant.
Okay. Oh, here's one.
Who's on that?
Goofy's on this egg.
Oh my God! How'd Goofy get on that egg?
Goofy.
That is Goofy.
Let's keep looking.
Okay, there's probably one more. And we just got, oh, I see it. I think I see it right up here by your leap pad, maybe.
John, where's your leap pad?
Oh, here's one.
You found it.
Here's one.
Last one. Okay, now we can go find our Easter present, which I think it's in the dining room. Uh-huh. Let's look in the dining room for our Easter present.
Let's buy more then.
Okay, come on. Go on the dining room. Let's see. Was it over there by the window?
Or extra over here.
No, is it over by the window, do you think?
I think so. I find one. There are more eggs. Oh my.
Oh, I think this one. Oh my goodness. I think that this one's Emmy's. Cause see, there's like a princess on it. This one, it looks like is John's. Oh wow,
Oh.
it's so heavy.
It's eggs and a goldfish egg.
Yeah.
That's carrot.
Let's carry it. Okay.
Oh, stickers.
Yeah, that seems like a lot.
Mickey, Goofy, and Donald.
All right, bring it in here.
And a Pluto and a Goofy.
Okay.
A carrot.
Okay.
And a Easter present.
All right.
Over here.
Come on, buddy. Let's go in here and open it.
And a professor.
Yeah.
Yes, Bessie. I found lots of eggs.
Good job, buddy.
Found one there. Found one there. I found one there.
Right.
I found one.
You found them all.
You want to see what's in your basket, buddy?
Down there. Some eggs in.
Open them up.
Open it up. Open up the basket. See what's in there.
See what's in here. Oh,
Oh, there's something in there.
what?
Let's open the big one.
Open this one. That one's pretty big.
Let's open them.
Okay.
It's pretty hard.
Do you want me to help you? There you go.
What's this? Oh, it's a
What is that?
purple car.
Oh.
I see what's in here.
All right, I'm going to go get Emmy so she can get her basket. Ooh, what's that?
It's a this.
It's a baseball candy.
The baseball.
Yeah, it's chocolate baseball.
Oh,
Okay.
stuffing's in here.
All right, I'll go get Emmy. You keep opening them. She can get her gift.
Can you open it, buddy?
Stuffing's in here, Dada. Open them.
Okay, let me see it. There you go.
Oh, it's a boba
Chocolate.
chocolate. Oh my goodness.
Here, I'll open that one. Oh. Look, Smarties.
Party.
Mama loves those. Open it up.
I open this.
What's that? Oh, is that bubbles?
Yep. I got blow bubbles.
Yeah. We'll open them later. We'll blow bubbles later. Let's open the rest of your eggs first. Leave that closed. Leave it closed for now. Open up another egg. Oh, that's a big one.
Maybe I open. It's chalk.
Chocolate!
These are hard to eat.
They're good though, huh?
They're hard to eat. What's in
Oh, that's a
here?
cool looking egg.
What's in here?
You got a lot of cool stuff, buddy?
Where are you going?
I go get the turkey. I go get the baby's gift.
You're going to get it for her?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks, buddy.
Where's the gift? Here?
Is that from the Easter Bunny, John?
Yes, babe. Here's your tray.
Oh, thanks.
Oh, for you. Actually, these are your eggs.
Hi, honey.
What are those?
Those are Play. Now you play with.
Will you show me how to play with them?
Sorry, I show you how it.
Good morning, honey. I know you've been screaming all night. Good morning.
What's in there? Oh,
Something's in here. Something's in here.
what is it? Oh, she likes her plate from Easter Bunny. Did you get one of these too, Buddy?
Yeah, Mom.
All right.
Why did I get some plates in my basket?
You did get a plate in your basket.
Why did I bring any stuff?
Oh, you wanted to bring it? All right. Well, do you want to go back and play with your basket?
Yeah. Let's keep
Hi,
playing.
honey.
Something's in here.
What's in there? Open it.
Oh, it's too hot.
Let's see.
That's now you open them. It's too hot. Something.
Here you go, bud.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome, buddy.
What is in here?
Ooh, Smarties.
They're parties again. Let's go open my parties.
Okay, we'll go open your parties.
First, we got open last baby egg.
Last baby egg. Okay. Ooh.
Oh, what is this? Oh,
What is it, honey?
oh, it's more sprinkles.
More Smarties.
More parties.
All right.
I opened a last egg. Let's go buy mine.
Okay, we'll go find your basket.
Go buy mine.
Hi, cutie pie.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at all that slobber.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.